Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at this Engineer solder socket. So I got this on Amazon, as you can imagine. So the pump feels really smooth. It's made in Japan. This is the model number SS03. There's a previous model number which is the SS02. I don't know what's the difference. To me they both look the same. I don't have the other one. I only have this one. They pretty much look the same. So as you can see here, it comes with two tubes, one the regular size, which is the one that's installed here, which is this one right here, and the other one, as you can see in the camera, it's a bit thinner. One is, the big one is 4 millimeters outside diameter and 2 on the inside, and the smaller one is 3 millimeters on the outside and 1.5 on the inside. So the packaging is very simple, but it has some instructions here how to use it and how to maintain it. It's pretty nice and simple. So I'm going to run a test to compare it with this cheap solder socket. Okay, let's do a test. We're gonna try this leftover board from, I don't remember what it was. I think it was a charger or something. And let's see. Let's put the microscope right there. Let's try these two pins. Okay, the iron is at 700 Fahrenheit. I need more support here. Okay, that wasn't bad. Let's try this one now. Okay, let's try this one here. Yeah. Let's try some other pins here. Let's try some difficult ones, like this big one, which is one of the legs of the USB connector. Let's see how that goes. Let's add some fresh solder and see how it goes. There you go. That was pretty clean. Here, take a look at this. That's okay. So let's try this other one with the cheap pump, and let's add some fresh solder too. Nice, clean, right there. Ouch. Okay, let's try these two guys here. Let's try the cheap one. Let's try the engineer first. That did something. That's a lot of solder. Nice. Pretty clean. Okay, let's try this one now. I'm gonna have to add some solder to these pins and this one too. This other pin was pushing it back and then I didn't realize, but still did a good job. Yeah, the problem now is when they are too close to each other. Yeah, well, it did help. It did something. Nothing crazy. Okay, let's try these two. This one and this one, and that's gonna be it. Let's try with the cheap one again. Nice, not bad. Let's try this one now, the engineer. Clean. Okay, so these are the two holes. This one was with the cheap pump and this one was with the engineer. Okay, so let's jump to another board. I'm gonna use this Sound Blaster 16. It's missing a cap right here. Sometimes I'm in situations where I don't feel like pulling out the hackle to do just one or two pins that I need to remove or clear the through holes on the board. So in those cases, for example, in this case, I was wondering if this is gonna do a good job. I remember years ago I bought one of these cheap ones and it was a pain to use, but let's give it another chance, and especially this one, it should work very well. Try this one first. That didn't do anything. Oh, it got it right. So that was cool. Let's see. He cleaned it up pretty well. So that was with this cheap pump. So let's try this one now. Let's try it fail. There you go, nice and clean. So if you know how to do it right and you have enough practice, you may do a good job with either of the expensive or cheap solder sockets. Okay, so to remove the solder out of the pump, if you push it all the way down, it has a pin that pushes the solder out. The same goes for this one. Let's see. It's probably somewhere in the tube inside. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video today. Let's just clean up this mess here on the board. Let's see what the other side looks like. Right there. Very nice and clean. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching and take care.